Good morning. We're going to see about DT, design thinking concept in visual thing. So everyone know about DT stages, right? That is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. We're going to detail definition about digital twin. So a digital twin is a highly sophisticated virtual representation of a physical object. So as we discussed earlier, so Sonamari is like a stimulation. So என்னென்ன டேட்டாஸ் வந்து நம்ம மாற்றி இது பண்ணுறோமோ ஸோ விர்ச்சுவலாக பண்ணிட்டு இதை மாற்றும் போது நமக்கு டைம் சேவ் ஆகும். ஸோ காஸ்ட் எஃபெக்டாக வந்து எல்லாமே பண்ணிக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிற டிஜிட்டல் ட்வின் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அன்லைக் a static model, a digital twin is a dynamic and interactive, meaning it involves a physical concept in nature and it also includes IoT, AI and all. So it minorly concentrate on physical entity behaviors and characteristics, real-time monitoring and all. So now we're going to see about the definition and description about from your side.
Let me explain the definition. A digital twin or viral replica is physical object system or process that uses real-time data to stimulate, monitor and optimize its performance.
So in this definition, we have to notice some key factors. Life cycle integration. So it covers the design, manufacturing, operation and maintenance stages. So it is also a lifetime life cycle integration.
A digital twin integration like IoT, AI, sensor and data analytics to create dynamic digital model of a real-world entity. To continuously collect data from the physical system, takes the virtual model in real time, enables analysis, prediction and decision making.
So some of the another key characteristics are real-time synchronization, stimulation capability and predictive analysis. So it can be easier to forecast the futures or not. So it is also helpful to performance and potential failures. That's my process.
Let me explain about the process of digital twin. The first process is physical entity setup, that is a real system. For example, machine, product or processes. And the second process is data collection. These data are collected from real-time systems like sensors, for example, temperature, pressure, and etc. And then the data transmission. These data are transmitted using IoT systems, IoT networks, and digital model creation, virtual replica to build a simulation software. And then the data analysis. These data are analyzed using AI and AI. And then simulation and prediction. Predicts failures and optimize the performance. And one is feedback and control. Here, insights are applied back to the physical system.
So here we'll see, here we'll dive deep into digital twin and see how what are the types of models we use in it. So starting there will be a data flow which has digital shadow or digital storage, digitally stored data of a real world entity. So we'll create a descriptive model, descriptive virtual model of from those data, and we'll do two main processes. One is planning and another is analysis. So with this process, we will create two types of models. One is prescriptive model, another is predictive model. The final model which we will take into consideration is a prescriptive model. So we will execute the model, which is that we will create a virtual environment in which the model will run and will provide data. So this process is called digital twinning, and all these actions will be shown in the user interface. The major users are the internal user, the operator and the external user. So this user interface will be different for each users, which is because internal user will dive deep into all those magnitudes and all those vector of matrices in the product, and the external user doesn't require most of the technical works. He only needs all the topographical works. And the operator is like a mediator between the external and the external users. So if we have to take this into real world, we have sensors and actuation process.
So what are the few advantages in this program?
According to this, advantages are predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance means we can find the defect for early and reduce downtime. Next, improve efficiency.
So on the only one disadvantage, any one disadvantage?
High initial cost. To build server setup, we require some sensors and other initial things.
Okay. So nowadays, the entire business is moving in a VR, XR and all. So augmented reality, virtual reality, and the integrated reality is called XR. So as compared to that, it is more advantage as compared to XR and all. Digital twin is more advantage. So let me see and keep discussion about it and meeting. Thank you.